Here we go.
Oh, cute.
Head on in there, babe. What?
Oh, it's cute.
I like it.
I like it.
Yes.
It's bigger than I thought it was going to be.
God, and they got tables for both sides.
Woohoo! This is our cabin. Yeah, do the dance.
Look at the Virgin Heart.
Aww, because we have a Splash of Romance package. There's our little iPad. And
our hammock.
And our hammock. That's a pretty decent size. Look at you. He's the king of the world.
I love this ship.
Okay, there's the bridge. Right up there. Hi, bridge.
Hi, bridge.
Okay, this is our cabin. 12330Z. Z means you're on.
We're on the right, so we're on the right side. We're on the starboard.
Yeah, we're on the right side. This is a wall.
Yeah. No, there's a good picture of a wall.
Woo!
Look, here comes the duck. Quack, quack, quack. No.
All right, this is our cabin. This is a XL Sea Terrace.
Yes, extra large sea terrace.
So we've got some USB ports down here.
And plugs.
That looks like it's gonna be a drawer.
Yeah.
Got little tables. TV. Oh, look, Kelly and Robert. Hello, Robert. That's our closet. That's cute. We've got some little baskets up there. And if you want to do laundry, that's what you send it out in. This is just a little curtain for the closet. There's some more USB ports here. Another little towel. And some drawers. Safe. Let's take a look at the bathroom. There's some hooks right there. This is the bathroom. Cool. So this is open, the sink area. So there's no door right here. Big sink, giant mirror. This, I'm assuming, is a la shower. Oh, it's big. The shower is big. Look at that. I'm just telling the people. And then this is the toilet room. So you do have a door to your toilet. A little shelf for your knickknacks or whatever. In there, you know, poo spray and stuff like that. Cool. I like it. I like the light behind the mirror. It's kind of.
Oh yeah, I like that too.
Yeah. Drawers, baskets. You can see the baskets there. You can put your stuff in. There's the fridge. There's some more cubbies here. We got a big bucket of ice because we are big bucket people. There is a drawer right here, but this has like a comforter in it. There's room under the bed. You can put your suitcase unless it's a fat boy like mine. And then I just put mine there. Anything you want to add?
No.
No?
Mine fit just fine.
Okay. Yours isn't a fat boy.
Mine's
like
not
mine.
a fat boy.
Okay.
I'm the only fat boy allowed in this room.
Also, you can control your room lighting from here. Notice the dimmage. Here it comes again. And your room temperature. You can control it from here. So everything like TV, remote, all of this is done from your little iPad. Which is cool. You can even turn this light on from there, which I think is cool. Okay, I've seen a lot of people like complain about the space between the bed and the TV. It's not that bad.
No, you should have seen the space I had between the wall and the bed when I was at our last place.
Yeah. So, I mean, Bob's standing there. Plenty of space.
It's a little tight.
It's a little tight, but
No, you just kind of make compensation.
I think that's my side anyway.
That is your
And
side.
I'm used to our bedroom, our bed, and our dressers pretty tight anyway, so there's enough space.
So look, see, walk. Da, 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 da.
You gotta make that noise when you come through.
You gotta do that.
Na 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 na.
No worries.
Okay.